Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix TPM Attestation is not ready for Faceit. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, it is actually pretty easy to fix. All you got to do first is just go ahead and update your BIOS. Okay, or you could do it later and enable your secure boot first. And if it won't enable, okay, you'll have to update your BIOS. Now, to enable TPM, okay, just go ahead and go to your search bar. So go ahead and look for system information. If you don't know your motherboard, okay, just click on it. As you can see here under baseboard product and baseboard manufacturer, okay, we have ASRock B550M Pro 4. That's my motherboard. So I'm going to keep that in mind and then go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Now just type down. Mine is ASRock B550 Pro 4. This one. Enable secure boot. Okay, type it down. Hit on enter and follow the instructions given by your manufacturer, or you can just go ahead and read this one from the AI. Okay, so mine, it says restart my PC and then press F2 and delete, which is correct, to enter BIOS, and then navigate to boot tab, set CSM to disabled, then go to security tab, set the mode to custom, then click install default security. This is correct actually. Okay, this is what I've done before. So just basically follow the simple prompts on how to enable your secure boot. And then if it doesn't enable, or if you don't have that option, well, erase this one, update BIOS. Okay, now you're gonna want to look for update BIOS and make sure that you look for the manufacturer's manual. Okay, or you go ahead and watch YouTube videos right here. Okay, and that's basically it. That is how you fix TPM Attestation is not ready for Faceit. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.